Welcome to this training video on supporting primary school children with moderate specific learning disabilities. Students at this level struggle significantly with reading, writing, or math, even with regular teaching. This video will show practical, evidence-based strategies you can start using immediately in your classroom. Moderate SLD appears as persistent and noticeable difficulty in decoding basic words, reading fluently, and understanding written instructions. They also struggle with spelling, sentence writing, organizing ideas, remembering math steps, and performing grade-level calculations. Following multi-step tasks can also be challenging, and students may avoid reading aloud, feel frustrated easily, or require repeated explanation. The key message: these difficulties are not due to low intelligence. They require specialized intervention. For moderate SLD, reading needs daily, structured intervention. Effective strategies include explicit phonics instruction with repetition, teaching phonemic awareness like segmenting, blending, and manipulating sounds. Also, color-coding vowel patterns, blends and digraphs, and small group guided reading with decodable texts. Repeated reading for fluency and using audio support alongside print are also beneficial. An example activity is sound, blend, read, where students tap each sound, blend slowly, then read the whole word. Moderate SLD requires explicit writing instruction. Strategies include handwriting practice using multisensory techniques like sand writing, tracing, and skywriting. Provide ruled sheets, highlighted lines, or pencil grips, and teach spelling using sound patterns, not rote lists. Give graphic organizers for sentences and paragraphs, and use the I do, we do, do method. Provide sentence frames, transition words, and vocabulary banks. An example activity is Sentence Builder, where students use picture cards and word banks to form correct sentences. For moderate SLD, math must be broken into small, concrete steps. Use the CPA method, concrete with counters, beads, and base 10 blocks, pictorial with number bonds and drawing models, and abstract with symbols. Strategies include teaching number sense through grouping and visual models, and giving step-by-step checklists for word problems. Practice math vocabulary with pictures, and use repetition through games and manipulatives. An example activity is Number Build, where students make numbers using counters before writing them. Many students with moderate SLD struggle with working memory and processing speed. Supports include breaking instructions into 1 to 2 simple steps using visual schedules and task cards. Allowing wait time before expecting answers using mnemonic aids and color coding, and teaching one concept at a time. Repeating instructions calmly and consistently is also crucial. Parents play an important role in progress. Encourage families to read simple books together daily, practice math through games, not worksheets, and use daily spelling routines. Share weekly updates and give simple home exercises. To prevent frustration and build confidence, provide accommodations like extra time for reading, writing, and tests. Also, reduced homework load, large font books or worksheets, and word banks and math formula cards. Shortened assignments with clear goals, and use of assistive technology like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and typing. Frequent feedback and positive reinforcement are also vital. Many children with moderate SLD feel slow or embarrassed. Support them by praising effort, not accuracy, and ensuring they feel safe taking risks. Teaching self-advocacy, such as asking, "Can you repeat that?" and encouraging peer buddies for reading or math. Confidence grows when children feel understood. With structured, multisensory, step-by-step interventions, children with moderate SLD can make strong academic progress. Your support as a special educator creates a foundation for confidence, competence, and lifelong learning. Thank you for the work you do.